Good day, dear professor. This is my contribution to the assignment number one. And well, today I'm going to talk about a little bit of the Edinburgh Festival of Fringe. Um, well, I just want to give you details about what is this festival about. Well, this festival actually is the biggest one related to arts. Actually, this festival is just behind the Olympics and the FIFA World Championship related to tickets and the amount of people that go to the festivity, right? Now, just some details about what this festival is about. Well, it is related to a lot of art. It is a wide diversity of arts that are presented in this festival. Actually, it is um, done in Scotland, so it is also done between the the date of in August between the 6th and the 19th. So next year it will be around that date. And also something very interesting is that, well, as I mentioned, there's a lot of diversity of art. It could be dancing, theater. As we can see over here, it is also related to um, fireworks, art, or it could be also music, a lot of things, even with cuisine arts, right? So as you can see over here, that's a lot sorry of arts related to this festival. That's why, and I choose to integrate this festivity um, to the classroom right over here in our country. Now, also very important about this festival is that there is no judges. You only share the things that you like, the art that you like, and the people just see it, and there's not no one to judge how you're doing your art. It's just about sharing, and that's why the main objective that I want to implement in the class um, by integrating this festival, right? Now, just in order to continue explaining why did I chose to bring this festival to the classroom? Well, first of all, as it is made in Scotland, it is part of the um, Great Britain. Well, it is related to the language, and I think it is always important to know all the other cultures, the diversity of the language, and well, it is always important to know a little more about different places, right? Different cultures. That's very important for me. And also, why did I chose? I I chose that festival because of that. Because I just want the students to bring to the classroom the things that the students like. That they have the possibility to express themselves toward the arts, toward if they like to cook, that they bring something and gave us an explanation of what they're going to cook, why they choose the the recipe, or if they want to dance, let's just dance, right? So that's part of the integration that I want to implement in the classroom. And I think that this festival is just perfect in order to do that. And also, as there is no judgment, there is no one to judge how you're doing your work as it is in the actual festival. I think that in that way, the student um, will feel comfortable enough to do the activity, and also in order to implement the diversity into the classroom. I think it is a good idea because sometimes we have students from other nationalities, and well, in that way, they can show us how art is done in their native country, and in that way, we can manage how to um, control our feelings, how to respect other cultures, and in that way, there will be a lot more um, of safeness and the safety place that should be the classroom, right? That's the main objective, and that's why I would like to implement this festival into the classroom over here. So thank you so much.